Spicy chicken sandwiches. Oh, they're so good. Hot, crispy, juicy, delicious. I love them so much, but most of them are kind of high in calories. So today I want to show you how to make a low calorie, high protein spicy chicken sandwich that is so quick and easy to make. It is so good, and it's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. Today's spicy chicken sandwich is so quick and easy to make because we're not making it from scratch. We're actually using just bare, lightly breaded spicy chicken fillets because this is something I like to make on a regular basis. It is quick and it's convenient. I like to share things that I like to make with you guys. So if you're ready, here's a nice, convenient meal you can make pretty much any night of the week. Let's get cooking. Now, because I'm making the sandwich on a toasted bun today, I've got the cast iron griddle preheated on medium heat so I can toast it. I do think it tastes better on a toasted bun, but honestly, most of the time, I don't bother. So if you don't feel like going through the trouble, you can skip it.
Skip it. Come on, everybody, skip it.
To make this sandwich, we are going to use one just bare, lightly breaded chicken breast spicy fillet. One of these is 210 calories and 22 grams of protein. I've got one right here, and we are just going to air fry it. So I got my air fryer over here. I'm just going to put this thing in the air fryer, just like that. Really simple. Going to air fry it at 370 degrees for roughly 15 minutes, flipping halfway. If it needs a little more time, I'll let it go a little longer, but usually 15 to 17 minutes is just enough time to cook one of those up nice, crispy, juicy, and delicious.
Delicious.
Now I'm gonna lay down some paper towels to prep our hamburger buns. Now the buns I'm going with today are Healthy Life Keto hamburger buns. I love these. They are 70 calories per bun, and each bun has 10 grams of protein. This is a great way to get some extra protein in, so we're just gonna use one of these hamburger buns. So we're going to take this bun and open it up, and we're gonna spray the top and bottom with some I can't believe it's not butter spray. It's 0 calories, and it makes everything buttery and delicious. Okay, the bun has been buttered. I'm gonna spray a little cooking spray on the griddle, and we are going to toast it. Take both sides, put them right there on the griddle. This won't take very long at all. I didn't bother setting up my third camera today because this is all I'm doing on the stove, so why bother? You know what I'm doing. All right, this is ready. Didn't take very long at all. We got that nice golden brown toasted bun. And that is good to go. Now we're just waiting on the chicken. Chicken is halfway done, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. And we can see how it's looking right now. Oof, that is looking nice and golden brown as well. Take a look at that. Oof, that is a thing of beauty. All right, flip it over, put it back in, and just let that continue to air fry. And while that finishes up, let's go ahead and prep our Southwest spicy mayo. I've got a food scale here, and here I have 15 grams of light mayo, that's 35 calories, and to that we are going to add 5 grams of Southwest hot mustard. You can also use Coops, that's the name brand, but I'm using Great Value because it's cheaper. So let's go ahead and add that 5 grams in there. And now we're just gonna mix this together, and that's all there is to it. There we go, and there is our sandwich spread. Okay, the air fryer is done. Let's take a look at this chicken. Can you see this? Look at that. Look at that thing. It is hot and juicy. It is too hot to bite into right now. So we are gonna prep our toppings. So I've got 28 grams of Cabot Lite 50 sharp cheddar. This is low calorie cheddar cheese. I want to put one piece here on the bottom of this bun, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab that chicken and put the chicken on top. And then I'm going to put the rest on top of this chicken so that it can start to melt a little bit. Look at how much cheese you get in one serving. That's 70 calories right there. Now I'm gonna add some Hamburger dill pickle chips. If you don't like pickles, don't add them, but I'm adding these. These are 0 calories, so it's like, kinda can't go wrong there.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I think pickles on a chicken sandwich are just the perfect complement. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of lettuce. And finally, we are going to take that Southwest hot mayo and we are going to spread it on the top bun. Now just add the top bun and we are done.
The next day.
So yeah, it is the next day. I am back in the kitchen, as you can see. Well, I thought I recorded the final part of the video where I reveal and tasted the chicken sandwich, but apparently I didn't press record on my wide camera, so that entire final part of the video was not filmed. But that's okay, because that just means I get to come back in the kitchen and make and enjoy another chicken sandwich.
Another one.
So here is my second attempt at filming the reveal of this delicious spicy chicken sandwich. And now here it is, this delightfully decadent and delicious high-protein, low-calorie chicken sandwich. Good gracious, look at this thing. Look at how delicious this looks. We've got the pickles, we've got the lettuce, the creamy mayo with the Southwest mustard, the sharp cheddar. I have had plenty of these already, so I know how good this tastes, but I am so excited. This is some indulgent, low-calorie food right here. All right, first thing I gotta do, I gotta get in and I gotta take a bite. So let me get some of this right here. Look at that thing of beauty. I'm sorry, I shouldn't brag. This is just one of those things, it's like, I can't believe I can have something like this at home, okay? Can't believe that's all mine. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. That is good. That is some good chicken too. No, hold on. I gotta get one more bite so you can see the inside of this a little better. Oh man. So you can see that is not a processed chicken patty. That is a real white meat chicken breast fillet. All real meat, so good. I'm gonna have to go in for one more bite real quick. I mean, the fact that I can have this at home without having to go to Chick-fil-A or Popeyes or anywhere like that and get something that tastes this good, mind-blowing. Okay, let's go over the macros. All right, so for this chicken sandwich right here, the entire thing is 395 calories. That's it. 36 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fat, 40 grams of protein. 40 grams of protein, 395 calories. Oh, I mean, that's like a couple of protein bars, you know? And some protein bars are higher in calories. So fewer calories, same amount of protein as 2 protein bars. Which would you rather have? This chicken sandwich or some dry, chalky protein bars? I mean, there are good protein bars out there, but you know what I'm saying? Like, the fact that this is an option and it's so good, the quality of this chicken, I cannot get over it. I am telling you, give this to somebody who likes spicy chicken sandwiches. I'm telling you, they will love it. They will have no idea. No one will be able to tell that this is a low-calorie sandwich. If you like spicy chicken sandwiches, you are definitely going to enjoy this one. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if there are any recipes you might like to see me try in the future, leave them in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear from you and what you're interested in seeing. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating. I am going to eat the rest of this right now.
Delicious.